Achieve a streak-free sparkle on your glass surfaces with State's Ecolution Pro Glass Cleaner. With its specialized fragrance and ammonia-free formula, Ecolution Pro Glass Cleaner is the safer and more effective option compared to its non-green competitors. Easy dilution by hand or with State's one-solution system allows for quick and easy removal of grease or grime, films, smoke residue, fingerprints, and more on your glass surfaces with only one application. Use Ecolution Pro Glass Cleaner on windows, mirrors, automotive glass, or any other glass surface. State is committed to manufacturing products that are safe for our customers and the environment. The Ecolution Pro Glass Cleaner is only part of State's complete Ecolution product line. Each solution is biodegradable, non-toxic, and shipped in recyclable packaging. Many products in the line also come with third-party certifications, including EPA Safer Choice, Green Seal, and Eco Logo. Our full line includes products for cleaning and disinfecting, floor care, maintenance, hand care, and laundry, making it easy to find a safer and environmentally free option for your facility. Leave a streak-free shine on your glass surfaces with Ecolution Pro Glass Cleaner, another quality solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.